Hello everyone, let's learn how to put white background on Instagram story. Are you content creator, or you just want to make your story more beautiful and for some reason you need to put white background on story but you don't know how to do that, so stay till the end and learn how to do it. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, let's open Instagram app on your device, and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, swipe to the right to open an Instagram camera. When you do that, you need to go on create mode for story. You can come on that by tapping on letter A in left side of the screen. Now this mode show you a color Instagram use on this mode. You cannot add a custom color, you can only use this color Instagram allows you. So next you need to change this color. You will do that by tapping on little color circle in bottom right corner of the screen, and click a few times to come on white color. So now we need to add a picture on story, so to do that go on this sticker icon in the top of the screen. And then scroll down to find plus button to add picture, and when you find click on it. Now you need to choose a picture you want and just swipe picture or zoom it where you want on the screen, and that is it. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video, goodbye.